Hi planner friends, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Tonight this is just going to be a really quick video. I want to give you a quick flip through of this planner that I have made up for my friend. She's been saying for a little while that she wants a planner, and she asked me a couple of days ago to have a look and see what I thought she would benefit from. So she decided on the size as a mini. So what I've done is I actually found a cover sheet that I hadn't written my name on yet, but it was from 2017. So I just put a bit of card on the back of that for her. And then I took 4 months out of my vertical undated because she said she thinks that she would like the vertical. So I've given her 4 months of that, and I made her a little bookmark with a today on it. And then I've given her some notes pages, and then just to see, because she's not 100% sure what she wants, I've given her a couple of weeks of horizontal lined. I printed these ones out for her from Roro, and then again I did the same for her for the dashboard layout, and I've also given her some stickers and a pen loop from One Crafty Country Girl. So the reason that she's only got 4 months is because if I give her it now, by the time she's sort of through her 4 months, it'll be coming up to her birthday. So I've said to her, if she decides which layout she likes, I'll buy her one for her birthday. So I just thought I would quickly show you this little video. Not even a 2-minute long video. I think this must be a record for me. So I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.